Today, we're looking at how to build on the success of a previous post. This is the Bath Brew House, and one of the things they do is they very much use Instagram as a kind of shop window into their business. And what they've did before was they did a post which was all about International Women's Day, which was obviously like off the back of like a very large campaign, and something that a lot of big businesses and small businesses were talking about. And then what they've done is they've done a follow-up post. So it said that last month we held a little event for International Women's Day, and you gorgeous lot helped us raise £540 for Bath Women's Fund. We absolutely loved it. Special thanks to the following for help us run the successful event. And then they've tagged everyone in. So it's a really good way to boost engagement in person and online. It's obviously hosting an event to raise funds for a really good cause. And this post is all about, I guess, sort of celebrating the event and celebrating International Women's Day. And they're not only able to use the national holiday more than once, but it also gives it kind of shows like a really good character of the business by giving us a peek into their models and beliefs. And I think for an ale bar as well, like they're typically, like a kind of male dominated kind of business. So I really like the fact that they're really focusing on females. And it's very much all about inclusion. So you're using, I guess, a kind of national campaign and something obviously that is important to a lot of people. And they're using it as a way of showing that actually it's really important to their business as well. And I really like the fact as well that they have thanked everyone and tagged everyone, which means that they're going to get a lot more engagement. And then I actually really like this little last bit, of course, which again, not many bars do, which is actually thanking the security team as well, which I think a lot of people kind of forget. And there you go, you can see them there. It's lovely. So if I was these guys, I would want to make sure that what I was doing was making sure that social media really worked for me. So I would go to the maybe dashboard and I would make sure that I had logged in, got my account all set up. And then on the right hand side here, I would add in basically, like the local bar or another ale bar. It might even be Brewdog or something like that, but a business that I could compare myself to. And then what I would then do is every week I'd be coming in here and starting to look at what's working for me, which is, your best post on the left-hand side, and what is working for them. And then you can start to understand, is it Instagram, is it Facebook, is it a particular type of post that keeps coming up all the time? And they can really start to hone your content. Now, as always, if you've got any questions at all, click on the little blue button. We'd love to help.